Let's take a good look here. This is our 1994 Dodge Ram 2500. Has the 12 valve 5.9 Cummins diesel, a 5-speed manual transmission. This truck is 4-wheel drive, only has 122,000 original miles on it. Reminder that we buy trucks like this. If you know of another low-mile truck like this one for sale, call the number on the screen now. If we make the purchase, you'll make a finder's fee. See our website for more details. Body's straight, no big dents, no major scratches. See, the rear bumper as well as the tailgate are free of any dents or dings. Two-tone with the silver along the bottom. Truck has 4 brand new 10-ply tires. They've only got maybe 30 miles, 40 miles on them only. 10-ply, brand new. Let's take a look at the interior. Very clean on the inside. You can see the driver's seat's not worn or crushed. Has the American-made Husky liner brand floor mats that stay put. Keep the carpet preserved like new underneath. Truck has the power windows and the power door locks. Steering wheel will tilt where you need it to be. Has the cruise control options there along the bottom. The 5-speed stick shift as well as the reliable floor shift 4-wheel drive down below. The old school cassette player with the AM, FM radio. Headliner's not loose, sagging, or drooping anywhere at all. Center console's clean as well. It's not worn from being leaned on. It's not busted from being sat on or abused or anything. See, it's completely clean inside and out. Let's go ahead and make sure we're out of gear. Fire this 12 valve up so we can hear it start. I'll zoom in there so you can see the mileage. 122,314 miles. Go ahead and take this 5-speed 12 valve for a test drive. Run it through the gears, show you how well this second gen runs and drives. We'll take off as soon as I get my seatbelt on and get buckled in here. Everything on this truck has been gone over, checked out. The truck has been fully serviced to make sure that it's completely ready to go. So all you have to do is just stick the key in it and drive it home. Pop your parking brake there. 5-speed goes right into first gear with no hesitation. It doesn't click or grind. We'll take off and head up the hill so we can hear the 12 valve 5.9 run, as well as put this 5-speed manual through all the gears so you can hear for yourself how there's no issues with anything at all. truck runs and drives like you'd imagine a 12 valve 5-speed second gen with only 122,000 miles on it would. There's not a problem at all. The 5-speed manual is just smooth as it can be, going from one gear to the next. It does not click, it doesn't grind or hesitate going into any gear. If you're familiar with the 12 valve 5.9, you know that it's a platform known to last forever. 12 valves, reputation for being a very simple, reliable engine, known to last forever. So for one that only has 122,000 miles on it like this, it's safe to say this truck has a lifetime left ahead of it yet. Steering on the front end is good and tight. The truck's easy to keep in the lane. It doesn't drift off or wander. It just drives straight like it's supposed to. Brake pedal's good and firm and consistently smooth right towards the top of the pedal where you want it to be at. The brake pedal does not feel loose or spongy. It doesn't make any noise, which you can hear for yourself as I slow down to go around this corner up here. Brakes do not squeak, they don't grind, they don't lock up or pull the truck to the side or cause any pops or clunks or anything like that. You step on the brakes, it just brings this truck to a stop without any issues at all. You can really tell by the way the truck runs and drives, just the way it feels behind the wheel and shifts through the gears. You can tell this is a truck that has been taken care of, always had its proper maintenance. You can tell it hasn't lived a hard life, never been abused or neglected or anything like that.